Alright, so good afternoon. It's about brunch time and we are going to our favorite place for breakfast, brunch, whatever you want to call it, the Metro Diner. And there are several locations all around Orlando. It's kind of a chain, but not really. But their food is really good, so we're gonna take you along. Okay, so I'm torn between trying something new or trying something that I know is really good here. We've had the biscuits and gravy, they're amazing. We've had the chicken and waffles, it's amazing. And then there's several other things that I've heard of that are just really good here. So I don't know. So I decided to go with the biscuits and gravy. And I got home fries, and I put cheese and bacon on my home fries. And Gary got the thistle, which is basically like a traditional breakfast, but it comes with a short stack of pancakes. So we haven't had their pancakes yet, so we'll show you what it is when it comes out. Also, they do mimosas and Bloody Marys here, so I didn't get any, but you know, if that's your thing, then go for it. Alright, so our food just came out. I got the home fries with cheese and bacon, and then my eggs with cheese, and then obviously biscuits and gravy, and this is the thistle breakfast with the short stack of pancakes, and it looks absolutely amazing. I put hot sauce in mine. Let me know if you put hot sauce in your biscuits and gravy. I think it's amazing. So stinking good. I absolutely love this, and I highly recommend this. Alright, so we just finished breakfast. Now we're gonna go get the box for the Christmas tree so we can go take it down, and then we're gonna take down Christmas decorations and maybe brew, or at least start brewing, the beer kit that Gary got for Christmas. So we're off. Okay, so we partially got most of the Christmas tree down. I gotta get a box for it, so that'll be tomorrow. But now we're going to start the craft beer making process, which the first step is to... Alright, so this process is gonna get a little complicated once it starts to boil. So when it boils, we have to add this to the water, and then this, and then it's gonna boil for 45 minutes, and then at 30 minutes after the malt extract and the first, then we add the second hop and we boil that for an additional 15 minutes, and then 15 minutes after the second we turn off the burner and we go to step 5. So let's get through these first 3 steps first. You have to put these grains in this sock, and we're gonna steep it in 1 1/4 gallons of water. Bag of whatever is out. Now we have to bring this to a boil. But that is what we are doing. It's almost to a boil. So we need to add the caramel, the malt extract, and then that bag of hops. and then we add the 30 minutes, and then we add the second thing, and then it boils for an additional 15 minutes. It's not a bad smell. It's not a good smell, but it's got a interesting smell to it. Kind of doesn't really even smell like beer, but we'll see. Second hops. Computer, stop timer.
Computer, stop timer.
Alright, so this is gonna boil for another 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're sanitizing the jug that it will ultimately go into. This is the side of the sink where we're gonna put the pot in just a minute when it comes off. We have to cool this down to what?
67 degrees.
67 degrees.
6270.
Oh, 6270 degrees. Right now, it's boiling, so, you know, it's pretty hot. Should be interesting. So it's cooled to what? 60 something now? 68 degrees. Alright, so now we're gonna start the next step. Hold the jug.
Yeah, you have to hold the jug like up there. Try to keep it as flat as possible.
Got it. Alright, now we gotta siphon the fluid. There it goes. So we got all this out. We'll put it in there.
Rock back and forth for a few minutes. Timer. Computer, set the timer for 2 minutes.
Rocket?
2 minutes.
So it says
Starting
rock
now.
back and forth. Scissors.
So now we're gonna add the yeast. Brewer's yeast. Computer, stop timer. Yeast. Next up.
I don't know how far it goes down. I think it just goes down a little bit. in there.
All right, so now it's gonna sit here for about 2 weeks. And then we will continue the next stage while this brews up. So I will post I'll try and tape it every day, at least a clip so we can see how it looks. So this is day 1. All right, so now it's a little bit later. Tree's still there. We were hungry and neither one of us wanted to cook, so we ordered Chinese. And all the yeast went to the bottom of the beer. So we'll see how that goes. But I've got a full-on spread of Chinese food. Gonna dig into this. Okay, so it's been less than 24 hours since we did all this, and the yeast is brewing. And if you watch, you can see the little bubbles. Pretty cool. It goes down and then boop. Alright, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's late and I've been busy editing the rest of the night after we had Chinese, and guess it's time to end this. So until next time, see ya. Also, this pup is tired, very tired.